Hello everyone, now I will explain all the fields of the Zigaform. Just let's get started. For example, I will start with this one, with a blank template. Test. Okay, as you can see, you can find all the fields on the left side. You can see, for example, you have a text box, and on this text box you have a label. For example, I will put like name on here, change the position. You can see on here the position. I can hide it and add it, just like add name here. Also, you can customize the skin with these options. Also, you can enable the help block. For example, you can add warnings. This field will override blah 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 blah. Okay, you can add validation like require, or if it's mail, you can put mail. Conditional logic, you can add conditional logic as well. Other options on here, margin, padding, animations, for example, here. Okay, the other one is text area. Work the same. I don't know, I will put comments. You can change the position. Just an input, you can add comments here. You can add the help block, change the color, add validations, require, things like that. Then on ready button, I will put like products. I will add the options. There it is. Also, you can change the theme as this one or this one. You can enable the help block. You can add validations, like one option is required. Also, you can add checkboxes, same. There it is. I can add require. Okay, also select lists, as you can see on here, the same. I don't know, products. We'll add the options. I can change the theme, default theme. Okay, then you have this multi-select as well. It's the same. Put on here. You can change the theme as well. Also, you have the submit button. For example, I will edit this one, change the wording. Okay, for example, just let's test what we have on here. I will just save changes, back to form. Okay, preview. There it is. If I put submit, it will ask for the required fields. As you can see, check here. There it is, and you can see it's working fine. Okay, I will add another one, which is spinner. You can put any label in here. Age. Can add a slider. I don't know. Cost. Okay. Also range. You can see on here how it works. Also, for example, you can use the grid system. For example, I will use these two columns and I will drag and drop the other fields created to the grid. There it is. You can see it's working fine. There it is. This is the grid. You can add a star rating. You can add reCAPTCHA. This reCAPTCHA is the version 2. You can add the public key, secret key, and that's it. If you want reCAPTCHA version 3, just go to global settings, reCAPTCHA 3, and you can put the side key and secret key on here. That's it. Also enable this one. And you can add custom HTML. You can put like Google Maps or any other HTML content on here. Then you can add also hidden inputs. When you want to add a hidden input in the form, it won't be shown on the form. Okay. Then you can put password field. For example, if you put, well, it's a password. So this field, when the user puts text, it won't show that what the user is typing. Okay. Then the next one is CAPTCHA. If you don't want to use reCAPTCHA version 2 or version 3, you can use this internal CAPTCHA. You can see here it asks you to put these characters. Also, you have this date picker, and you can put format, language, things like that. Also, there's a prepend on here, prepend text. You can put icons on here. For example, here I will add this one. You can add dividers. It's just for like separator. Also headings on here. I will change the heading 4. I will put in the middle. Also, you can add file uploads, image uploads, and you can add allowed extensions, attach files to mail notification, and things like that. And if we go to more fields, you will see other fields like color, date, we'll put this one, you can see. Also, this other type of date, as you can see, it has more options, too many options, like language, things like that. Also prepend, append. Example, this one, you can add like, I will pen this one. If I want to add, you can see the icons are added to the beginning and the end. And also, if you're using the wizard option, you can use these wizard buttons. Also, you can add switches. Here the switch. Well, it's not looking good on here, but let's see how it looks on front. There it is. You can see here is the switch. Then you have dynamic checkbox. This dynamic checkbox, you can add images instead of text for the checkbox. You can add new option, you can add text on here. For example, I want to show this, the label below the image. You can see on here, option 1, option 2. And you can add the image on here. Just press on here and add your image. And it will, as you can see, it will show the image very big. And then you can choose the option. It works similar for the radio button here. You can see the same. You can see the radio button here. Also, you can see it has other way. If you want to like make more dynamic, just upload the image for the 3 states. There are three states, like disable, hover, and enable, and you can upload the image for each state. In this case, I will use just the first way. That's it. Also, you can activate the quantity. I will, for example, activate the quantity on here. There it is. Okay, I will save the changes. And you can see how this dynamic checkbox works. Also, you can see that the quantity is working fine. It's working fine. Okay, and finally the panel. The panel is like a grid as well, but you will see it's something like this. You can see it's you can drag and drop on here. There it is. Just save changes. It's like another container. You can see here. You can put you can add more sections, and you can see it's working fine. So I will, for example, put this. Okay, there are many validations on here. There is. Submit. There it is. Oh no, go to records. There it is. Here are all the fields that we have added. So you can see it's working fine. So we have tested all the fields as possible. And we will be adding more fields like signature in future releases. And I think that's it. Just if you have any question, just leave me in the comments. Thank you for your attention.